I feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I did this simple, everyday, natural look that you see right here. I mean, honestly, this is an everyday look for me. I used the Juvias Place Zulu palette for the first time with you guys. Created this beautiful look. I'm obsessed with it. Showed you how I do my glitter outer corner. Can we talk about this background? It's gorgeous. I'm living for it. I'm living my life colorful right now, and it's making me so happy. If you would like to see how I put all these colors on my face, then just keep watching. Hello friends. I'm just gonna start off with my Spectrum C06, and I'm gonna dip into that yellow shade. Ooh, yes. That is a beautiful yellow. I really want this to be very blown out and winged out, so that's why I'm feathering it out like this. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild blending brush and I'm gonna dip into that turquoise shade. This color is literally the same color as my hair. And I'm gonna kind of focus this on the outer corner, winging it out, bringing it through the crease. I just don't want to cover up that yellow completely. I just want it to all merge together. With my E17, I'm going to take that purple shade, and I want this focused on the outer portion of the eye mostly, so that's what I'm going to do. I really don't want this purple to go through the front half of the eye at all. So I'm just kind of packing that purple down and drawing it out into that wing shape. As I start getting to more of the wing, I'm lightening my pressure a lot. That looks like trash right now, I know. Just let it live, it's gonna be fine. So even though it's absolute trash, you just want it to look as wing shaped as possible. Now I'm just gonna start by taking that second brush, no additional products, and just softening it. And then that first brush, no additional product, and again, just softening it. And I feel like I lost a little bit of that intensity right here, so I'm just taking a very light amount of that purple. Very, very, very light pressure, just trying to bring some of that back. I'm taking a teeny bit more of this yellow, and I'm just dusting that on the very top portion. I'm just taking this clean, fluffy shadow brush. This is the A08. I'm gonna go ahead and do a half cut crease. I'm just taking my Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer and my Spectrum A16, going slightly above my natural crease. I'm just gonna start cutting it. Basically just going until we reach that purple and kind of feathering that concealer into it, and then we'll move on. Using that same brush, I'm gonna take the light green shade first, and I'm gonna pack this on the first third of the eye. And now I'm just gonna flip that same brush over and dip into the shimmery blue. And I'm just gonna pack that everywhere that there isn't shadow on the center of my lid. And then I'm just switching back and forth between some of the green and the blue just to get those nice and blended together. Just taking a very light amount of that purple, and I'm just gonna start blending that purple into the blue. So I'm just gonna switch between the purple on my brush and the blue on the other brush. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Dome brush and dip into that purple. And I'm just gonna start smoking this on the first half of the lower lash line. Using the same brush, I'm just gonna take some of that turquoise. I'm just gonna merge it into that purple and connect it to the beginning of my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm just going to take some of that sparkly blue again. And I'm just using my Morphe M213 to do so. And just in case you didn't think this look was fun enough, I'm going to add some glitter. I'm taking my NYX Glitter Primer on this Colourpop brush, and I'm just going to pack this in the outer wing area. I've been doing this a lot recently and everybody is asking me how to do it, so this is how I do it. It's super easy. And then I'm taking some of the Orglamix Lucid Dreams Festival glitter and I just kind of pack it on there. You don't have to be too precise. Just kind of let it do its thing. You could like take tweezers and individually place where you want them, but I don't really care. I think the sporadicness looks cute. So this is the full look. I hope you like it. It's super fun, super colorful, super glittery. This is not the wearable look for the everyday person, but it's a wearable everyday look for me, and I hope you like it. This was so much fun to create. That was my first time playing with that palette. The only other Juvias Place palette I've used besides that one so far is the Magic palette, and I love it. Their pigment is unreal. They just went on like a dream. They blend so easy. I don't know why I'm saying this. You saw it in action. I'm so excited about this palette. I'm going to be using it all the time. I'm glad I got to play with it with you guys for the first time. You got to see my outer corner glitter trick. That is super easy. Literally anybody can do it, and it wasn't even my trick. I saw many other people doing it now. It's super trendy on the Instagram lately. Speaking of Instagram, go to mine. It's Beauty by Betty Jean, just like here. Follow me there. It'll be lots of fun. We can talk about makeup. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post every 3 days. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna drop my brush.